What am I doing? Blower valves, so we try and keep the common stuff in stock. Got like a dual port compact, which would go on your Falcon or Evo or anything that's sort of universal. Dual port's cool because you can have it venting back into your factory pipe as well as venting to the atmosphere for that cool sound that you all love. I'm not doing it. And then you've got your raised port blower valves, which we use on the bigger builds. These need to be fabricated onto your boost pipes. Comes with a weld-on flange there. These make a very different sound. I'm not doing it. So this is like a comparison. Everyone loves their HKS SSQB. Blower valves, big, loud, unique note. But this is Turbo Smart version. I'm not doing it.